See me, I go straight to the point and everything, and they say that woman where they talk say Shatta Wale scam am, Shatta Wale do this. Make they tell her say make you watch video, and see who be Shatta Wale. Make you watch video. Are they live? Make they share the video. Make it catch America everywhere for the world. Make man watch video. And what I want to be serious thing. You understand me? First of all, the way this woman they mention my name, say I scam am and I do am. Everybody where you listen, those bloggers where they blog those things, those foolish bloggers the way they know they do like they no get ear. Make the check. Even my voice. I know like nonsense. You see Ghana, people they try me too much to the extent say when I start to do something, then somebody will talk say Shatta there. But when it happens, nobody they talk for me. Because everybody see me say, yeah, the way I can't sit here with my swag and I can't do and since somebody they see me like, you see me, I dey live the life I want to live. And the life I'm living, you know they hurt anybody. You know they bring blood out of anybody. It's just happiness in my soul. So make somebody tell that woman say, you see what they do? One, me, I call lawyers. They look for him for America. They go serve him letter. Me, I like international court. I like this kind of case. Make a win case. $45,000. But you know how much they sign me? You know the things where you know the money where me I get before they sign me say a boa. You can't talk, you play some voice. The voice said no be my voice. And everybody go feel attest to that. You can't tell me say and one day you see me for video me and Flossie bleed. Hey, you know the fear devil, eh? You know this when you see devil, you know they see devil, eh? When you chop my matter, you go get matter. When you chop me, Shatta Wale my matter, you go get matter. You know how many people say they use my Facebook page, create names, plenty way they use. Say they talk to me, you get my number, I dey check, you get chat, I dey check the chat to her, Shatta Wale official. Some pages I dey see what say, some of my fans, they take promote me and things. You go fall for there, they catch you mugu, chop you, you say it be me. Make somebody tell that woman say, you see me, you chop wrong shit. Some shit, it be better. But you see this shit, you chop wrong shit. Because see me, I go push this thing. I go push this thing because see, sometimes I hate the way people they see me. You know, someone wants to see me like, yeah, how you doing here? I don't really give a fuck about how you think about me. I beg you, my guy. You see, whatever they do, whatever me and they do, I do one for me and my fans. I don't do one for anybody. Because nobody cares. Nobody they care. I swear. Make somebody tell that woman. Say, you see me, I go sue one for defamation. And you go understand. Say next time. But sometimes Ghana, if I say Ghana be village, then people they bow. Say woman with you your eyebrow. You make your eyebrow like chuchu kiwi. So Charlie. Did if you pick some people from village now and take them go America and they talk like it is slang. They won't do like no right now in no life. If your eye open the way America technology did it, you don't know Shatta Wale in page. You don't know Charles Nyama Mensah in page. As I come live, why not? You know how many people they watch me? Make they tell that woman. Make they tell that woman. Make you understand. So you see the thing that they can't talk about. They go look for one and they go see one and you go can't show me when me he give me money. What Charlie Ghana there sometimes I beg. I don't want trouble, Ghana. And make nobody can give me trouble. Because you see my corner I think of myself and my fans. Make people no come just see this thing. Like you see my music I do, people go to play around now. Things go happen. Make people not see things like that. Because sometimes I just the shock. How come people People just want, you understand me? And the bloggers, you listen kakai, hi, I talk, interview, things where I do. So foolishly. As I go my talk, you know, spread this news like that. But you can't do there. They spread shit. Because Shatta Wale, they ain't been on the bad news. No, the bad news. Charlie, make I tell you something. See me, nobody go feel worry my life. Because see me, I know they worry nobody in life. I know they worry nobody in life. You see me, I talk so confident because see me, I know myself. So if people they watch me, people they think, say, oh, why Shatta Wale? Why Shatta? I don't give a fuck, my nigga. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, my nigga. Because see this Ghana with you, people they just watch things different way. How come? See, man, just there. I just there, you know, record until I say, oh, no, I got to go sleep until people they call me. People they call me, say, man, Charlie, the way they think, the way this woman, hey. Make the tell them, say, if you no come, Ghana can't look for me, can't report me for IGP. Make they call me, make we sit down. You see, the money go pay me, because if you're American ID, me I like things like this. You poor they do one and Donald Trump, they talk, say Africa be shit, because see, if you are so educated, if you say if you're America, you did, your eye open, the way American people, they my eye open. Hey, Ghanaians. Hey, Jimmy chapter 23 verse 9. It tell one about you. Then you are so bold to come to say, and Charles Nyama Mensah, he scam you and scam. Are you okay? Are you stupid? Are you so like that? Ah! Why? What's up? See, if my name were the jump or if you call my name, like I don't know. I make you if you know say you like me, don't call my name, make my fans call my name. I don't like bullshit things. I don't like bullshit things. Don't call, I don't even need them, so don't even try. You understand me? I don't need them. It be so stupid. I don't need them. Make my fans call me. Shatta Wale, I like that thing. Don't call me. I don't like this so stupid kind of behavior. Like you don't waste your life and they make money out of it. It be stupid thing. You waste me, I go to. I run myself. I'll make money. What have you made? Every day you won't put Shatta Wale in image some way and you won't do the make everybody go type Shatta Wale. So stupid things, so foolish things from Ghana. Because Ghana is a village. Because they don't understand how even the great computer way man for use computer make something beneficial for him. Man just the computer, but it's a foolish thing. They type foolish thing, they watch porno, foolish, they watch porno, foolish, they watch porno. Then people go there, you go to say they do work. They said they get girlfriends. You make no blogger no make mistake, make I get your girl. The way I go chop am. What's here? So stupid life. Like people get money pass. You they do this thing. And the leaders of this country today say, why our entertainment industry will fool like that? That the like you fool. Including me and Ankasa. That's why sometimes help self not become their way. Jimmy so why? Do I pay me for some people? You understand me? Do I pay me for some people? See, people did the way they live some life and they say like, you go take there and somebody go down to say a scammer. He send you voice note. You listen. He send you chat. He say no, this is not be Shatta in page. But so foolishly. I don't know how much if people come your site, come watch, how much you get. Me, I get money for YouTube. Mad. iTunes, mad. I get money for that. Your stupid site where they don't know. Some of you go talk kojochrome.com. Some of you go talk aposmalkitra.com. Some of you go to lizardlie@.org. Stupid blogging sites. Them to the cinema myself say the work, yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe that blogger no. Oh blogger among Shatta Wale abuwa. It be stupid. My guys, make me stop this thing. Maybe you must stop this nonsense thing they do. Because see me to this. If people don't stop this nonsense thing they do, this nonsense things I don't go talk. I don't go stop talk. They talk. Say anything where you be. Hey, Shatawale, no, you be negative. No, you won't come talk. Because Charlie the guy, how come where they go on? Charlie the guy, I say he pass somewhere. If I pass somewhere, pass somewhere. Are you not okay? Are you okay? If you feel so, Charlie Shatawale, he pass somewhere. You to pass somewhere. Jimmy and Kwa. But you won't watch me like, and you won't read me and like me. Gotta make nobody seem like that. You see me? I'm not doing like the way Ghanaians do. Because I don't want to think like the way Ghanaians they think. Me, I won't recreate. I won't create things. I won't manufacture things. I won't open chapters for life. So make nobody can talk stupidly and nonsense. And that one make they tell me, I say my lawyers right now as they talk, they search and where about. Everywhere he did for America, they go fish him out. And no be anything. But just make we go court. I like this thing. I like cases like this. Me, I like it. Me, I like problem like this. I like matter like this. You can't give me evidence. You see the phone talks every. You make mistake. Make somebody tell us. Say you make mistake. You make mistake. You go America. You won't do like sometimes I know Ghana is a village. Ghana. Ghana is a fucking village. Because when people say they feel live here, say go America. See disgrace. You do a whole America. You know they feel verify. Say this is Shatawale in page. This is Shatawale in original page. This is Shatawale in this thing verified. You know they feel verified. We move now to America. We move now to America. Now we go. You go make all my girls for America say they ball. My girls for America where they find past you, they go they ball. They go they ball. What do you mean? You know what be scam? You know what be scam? Because say I go scam you $45,000 and you go come there and you got 45,000. How you feel like? How you feel? Say I scam you. Hey, don't do that at all. Because you see me, I know they play with money. You see the money said they call. It be fucking cheap money where I go if you watch you for your life. What the America? Man, they just can't do a show for America and come back. Where even you are seeing for? Or how come me and you said they communicate? What's number you they communicate on? My first way they know me, they know the number they use. So what's number you they communicate on? Where they say you will talk on phone? What a stupid lie be that? Sometimes it pay me. It pay me. See, because I be half caste, everybody they jealous me. See, woman, you dare America. America. Donald Trump in land. Where you won't check artists in page. Hey, Ghanaians. Get me go in Masio. Jimmy. Go find some page. Or you know you say that's in the internet. You go find some page. You see that video, you go take go court. And see that video, you go pay for them. You see me, I make ready. If like make police, I dey talk right now. Make American police can't arrest me. I won't make American police can't arrest me right now. America police, me they can't arrest me right now. I won't go America. Say you can't scammer. Hey, shut up, Wale. I go take my time. Make they lock me everything. Make you go court. Hey. You see the way I need money. It be this kind of way where I need this money. You talk scam. I like this case. Oh, this one day my lawyers go chop case. Wow. Hey. I say make anybody they watch right now, make it tell that woman say Shatawale did live right now. I say make it tell American police. Make they can't arrest me right now. Because I won't go America. I want me they can't say Shatawale scam someone, they mean they can't pick me. Are they? Make they come and I make ready. Make they come, you just make they come cause, make the scene. Me I like scene. Make they come say, oh, they say they can't arrest Shatta because of the scam he do. So so they say, hey, then you see American police they come. I like that thing. They come, hey, then they can't handcuff me. I like that thing. Make a day news. Make I go America. Make I go there. They catch the scammer, I like that. Means I want that vacation long time. I go there, we go court. The way America today get sense. America, white man. The whole white man get sense. Go court. Then you can't tell me, say, the white man for there, he go to ask you questions and you go to look for evidence. If somebody no tell that woman, say for come Ghana and can report to Ghana police or call police for America, say the scammer, we scammer. You see him, so maybe they can arrest him. Hey, you see this one? You go feel me, Shatta Wale. You go feel me, wow. You go believe me. Because this, you see these kind of things, it be so stupid for us Ghanaians. See where my career in level cash. Where they try and push my things and they make my every day something will come away. Every day something will come away. So Ghanaians, you know if you see, say you see me, God bless me. You know if you see, or you know if you think, see, this guy, you won't see Michael Jackson pen, see a different guy. This one be black Michael Jackson. Ugly like your anus. Me, I know, you see me, see me, you see Ghana, you put the make, I know they give a fuck again. I know they give a fuck. Because you see these things, it's getting too much. I know people who love me for who I am. I'm being fucking real. If you know you don't fucking like me, fucking fuck out of my page. I don't even want to see you. Because I don't even need them. Because if I be your brother and they take this thing to me, you know who like? You go fight. Somebody with me and day my corner always, I just want to try and make people happy and say, people, so stupid with my day America, he say me a scammer. So, he see the way they do them, like me around. Hey! I said, make they tell them, I say, if you don't see video. This be me, this be Shatta Wale. Make you can watch me where they talk. And tell me, say if you mean they speak to. Anybody where you know him, I beg, if you go inbox me. Sometimes people they play, like people they play, so they scam you. If this woman no call American police, me they can't arrest me, go pay me, or I no go lie you. Because I won't go CNN. I won't go CNN. BBC everywhere. Before I will win this case, I won't make my mother day everywhere. Because I need them. See, they America. If they behave like you know the America, they will not use law. Say somebody scam you. So Interpol for come and can arrest me. Then, you know, we stand what I want to do. Because you see me, I will sue you for America. Me, I will sue you for America. Hey, what kind of stupid thing is this? But what's up? What kind of village like? See, with a beef somewhere. See, you just wake up and you just want to spoil your brother. Oh, how? Let people go listen to their voice note. And see if my voice. And the picture we can put out. See, you and the guy in the chat. Hey. Just like me, if you want to see if I work anything, then like, you know the girls with me and they like, you know they quarter. If I say quarter, say, you know there's -5 or -300. I go fit increase them. You know they there. See me ain't go to talk and you go to do this, you go to do. Hey, my sugar mommy self way they like me. You know they there. What do you mean? Are you a stupid? Or are you a foolish? Or are you a mutum banza? Sometimes I don't really like this thing. You understand me? I don't really like this. Sometimes you see Ghana, you go to make money boy. But you see what are the promise you see me? I just wouldn't kill anybody. But you see me, I'll fuck up people. I won't kill anybody. But I'll fuck up people because I know that is the least thing or the last thing you want to make me do. Yo, such a shot they say, me, the way I bind, let me hear fine. The way I bind, let me hear fine. There's no way I'll disrespect the law. But I'll fight for what is rightfully mine. And that is what I want people to get into their medulla. That I'll fight for what is rightfully mine. No giddy at all. But you see, when it's about talking, forget. Talking, forget. But I go talk sense into your anus, make you hear and say, this guy, anus the top. Yeah. Because some of you, if they talk to your ears, you know they hear. What kind of nonsense be this? Say, you say, dear America, you know no Shatta Wale in page. Hey. Make somebody tell that woman, say, I say, you see, people with the scam, they know they show face. It be only bold scammers where they show face. I no come scam him for anywhere. I don't know him for anywhere. I never hear him for anywhere. You see what you do? It be defamation of character. And if we make ready, make we go court. And then the wait make it send Interpol. Come Ghana. I want her to come and arrest me in Ghana. Make we go court for America. Because it's America. Where should they talk the thing for? So she for a report for there. Otherwise, if you come Ghana, can report to Ghana police. You could talk about this matter. Then go court. Me, I won't go court. Me, I won't go court for this matter. I really won't go court. Stupid life song, my guys. Stupid life song for Ghana, no go lie you. And Shatta movement, make we just make up on our mind. You understand me? Let's live our life. You understand me? Me, I always talk positively. Don't live your life negatively. People will watch you and the way God creates you and they will judge you. Fuck them. They ain't nobody. They ain't shit. They can't do anything for you. They don't even do anything for you. Trust me. You understand me? Don't watch them. Be you. Because see this country where they live. It's so sad. It's very sad though. So you see, the only sickness we there will be very serious for you be PhD. As you go on, pull him down. That syndrome, it did. Everybody want, I see how much. You go for, right? They go for. My guy, you see Shatta Wale this for you. Me a pass, pass. They are the go. Make people not try do some things. I know the boy where nobody go feel scared. Your face, I know the fear. Eh? If you say no, if you say no, if you will talk, say yeah. Don't see him like that. Make people not see him like that. You see the blessing with God bless me too much, say he fine. And I go make people know. Anybody we know that woman, make it tell them. Say, you see me, I come live. Where I can tell them, say, if you don't bring, if you don't bring Interpol, can't pick me for Ghana. They play with the wrong guy. He play with the wrong guy. Trust me, I will tell you something. Don't see this thing. We will no law rough. Don't see this thing. We will no law rough. Don't see my tattoo and things. Say, we will no law rough. Nobody go be scared, man. As I know, say God, he put everything for this world under man. If you allow yourself, make it scare you. Blame you. When you see someone like Shatta Wale, nothing will scare me when I'm right. Because I know what I'll say. Man, they respect you. Man, they keep in humbleness for in corner. That boy man get so much lovely, loyal fans. And I they keep pray for them every time. Make God watch them. May they get whatever they want get. And make we all grow. Shatta Movement Nation. Big nation. One day. If you don't fear God, she will spoil your brother. God will show you power. You will see God. He be the most highest everything for this world. Highest. Nothing. If you do God in back, what you go do? Boom. Make somebody tell him. If you don't make Interpol can pick me, make popular for CNN and say, you go see what I go do to him.